Updates. There are a lot of new features being added onto WhatsApp. So this video is all about the new features that's going to come on WhatsApp and that's already there that you don't know. So watch this video till the end because it's going to be super useful and super interesting. If you don't know me yet, well, I'm your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. So let's get started. Alright, so the first and foremost feature or update that is going to come on WhatsApp is the limit of participants on a group has been increased. Now, recently we had an update that increased the limit from 246 members to 512 members in a single group. But now, the WhatsApp beta testers have started seeing the new limit from 512 to 1024. Yes, now WhatsApp is currently testing a feature that will increase the limit from 512 people in a group to 1024, which is really interesting. And by the way, this feature is not available in the stable version of WhatsApp. It might be only available for the beta testers, but it will soon come onto your stable version of WhatsApp. So wait for that to happen. But also let me know about a group that you are there, which has the highest number of participants, and also mention that in the comment section below. Let's see who has the highest number of WhatsApp group participant in their group, which they are a part of. So the next feature is called as call link. This is a simple feature where you can generate a link through which others can join on a call. So it is very simple to find this link. All you need to do is to open your WhatsApp and tap on the call section. Now you can see there will be a link present over there. Before sharing that link to anyone, decide whether you need to make a video call or an audio call. Just tap the drop down menu and choose video or audio call, and then once it's set, you can start sharing that link to any person whom you want to get on a call. If you want to get on the same call, you need to tap on the link, then you will be also there on the call. So once the link is being shared, when the other person opens that link, they will directly join the call, which is a really great feature because now you don't need to save a number and go inside their chat and tap on video call to make them join your call. You can easily share a link to an unknown person and ask them to join your call, which is very simple. So this is a feature called as call link. It's there on your WhatsApp calls section. Just tap on that, choose the type of call, share the link, and you're good to go. The next new update on WhatsApp is kind of an update or upgrade to an already existing feature. You guys all know view only once photo feature, where you can send another person a photo which they can view only once. But the problem with that feature is when you send that type of photo, the other person can take a screenshot or a screen recording. But having this particular problem didn't make any sense for that particular feature to exist. So WhatsApp has rolled out a new update for that particular feature where another user cannot screenshot or screen record when that particular photo is being viewed. And if they try to, then your WhatsApp screen will go blank in black color, because this then serves the whole purpose of that particular view only once feature, or else it would not make any sense. So I appreciate WhatsApp on bringing this particular update to that particular feature. So right now it might not be available for the stable users, it might only be available for the beta users, so keep that in your mind. It'll come in a few days, but it's a really great update that I was waiting for that particular feature to happen. Anyways, next is a new feature that was recently introduced on WhatsApp, and it is called as WhatsApp Community. So I've already made a video where I've hinted that WhatsApp is working on this particular feature, and right now it's already there. So in order to start using WhatsApp communities, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp, and on the left corner you can find a new icon, which if you click, you can start your own community. So community is basically a feature which lets you to manage multiple groups at once. If you have any announcements to make to all the groups, then you no need to send it individually. Now you can add all these groups into one community and just send all these announcements commonly at once. So this is basically a feature that helps you to manage multiple groups in one. The current limit of this group is set to 21 groups, which means that each group will have 512 members and you can add up to 10,752 members in total in a whole community. So that's a really great thing. So if you are managing multiple groups that's related with each other, then you can use WhatsApp communities to make announcements commonly to all the groups, which is a really great thing. And by the way, if this video is informative and useful, then don't forget to share this video with all of your friends and family, and also drop a like for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, which is very important. All you need to do is to tap the subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications for our upcoming videos. Anyways, let's get to the last and final feature of the day, which is nothing but replying to statuses with reactions. Now, you already know reactions to messages is already present on WhatsApp. Initially, it had only few emojis to react with, but now you can react with any custom emoji. But the new feature that is there on WhatsApp is that you can react to any statuses. The problem with this feature right now is you cannot use any custom emojis. There are some preset emojis that you need need to use, but maybe in the future we can expect that WhatsApp will add support for custom emojis where you can send your own emoji as a reaction to that particular status. So right now you don't need to open the keyboard and find an emoji to react to that particular status. Instead, you can just swipe up and react to that status with the already preset emojis that is available on WhatsApp. This feature is available already for all the stable users, so you can start using that feature to reply to statuses. Alright, so these were all the features that is going to come on WhatsApp, and let me know your favorite one in the comment section below. And as always, if this video was useful, as I said in the beginning, drop a like for this video, share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's very important. It helps me motivate, create better and better content. So this is Arnav signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.